Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for all your support. On today's video, as you guys saw, I'm just leaving the gym. And, you know, as you saw in my previous video, I just wanted to share with you guys, start sharing with you guys, you know, just take you on this journey with me. Currently, it is Saturday. It's the weekend. I just wanted to kind of, you know, pop in real quick. I'm not going to be on for too long. I showed you guys what I just did in the gym. I am in Atlantic City with my daughter. She plays travel ball, so, you know, I travel with her, and, you know, as she plays, just to support her and everything. And, you know, I just got a workout in. I'm trying my best not to make any excuses because my life is extremely busy. So, you know, I'm just trying to keep my routine going even when I'm not at home. I didn't show you guys my breakfast this morning. The hotel that we're staying in, the breakfast was a little sketchy. So I just ended up having two, they were like little egg patties, sort of. So I just had that, and then some coffee, black coffee. And then, for lunch we had, last night we had Chinese, which I did okay with that, but I did have the rice, which, you know, no big deal, but it's not really a part of, you know, what I said I was going to be doing. But I did get up this morning, like, well, today, go to the gym, and I made a better choice. We had leftover Chinese this morning, and so I just had, what was it, a couple pieces of shrimp and broccoli, basically. So, yeah, that pretty much was it. And I'm just going to fast it out until tonight, till dinner. She has a late game. It's at 9 o'clock, believe it or not. And so I'm just gonna fast it out until then, and the plan is for us to go to like Buffalo Wild Wings, so I'll be able to make a good choice there, just some wings, and hopefully they have a salad. I'm not even sure if they have salads, but either way, or I'll just have like the celery sticks or something. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll pop back in, I'll show you guys a little clip of my food when we go, and then that'll be it for today. Good morning. It's morning time where I am. I don't know what it is where you are, well, when you guys are watching this video right now. I am starting my day off. It is 7:23. I'm starting my day off at the gym, trying to get it out the way. We had a late night last night. If you watched the last you know, little clip, you saw that my daughter had a late game. Her last game was at 9 o'clock, so we ended up not even getting out of there until like probably like, I think it was like 10:15 or so, 10:15, and we didn't get back to the hotel until I think like 10:30, 10:40. I don't know. I know I was tired. I was so tired last night, tired, hungry. Thankfully my husband, we originally were supposed to stop at Buffalo Wild Wings, but he ended up stopping and then bringing it back. So that was kind of, at first I was like, oh, I kind of wanted to, you know, sit down, but then I was like, you know what, that actually was a good idea, because I was so sleepy to literally the minute that I ate my last wing, I went right to sleep. So he got me like, I don't know, I think it was like it was like pretty much mild wings, mild flavored wings, nothing, you know, sweet on it or whatever. I had it with some blue cheese, and that pretty much was it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So he left this morning, but my daughter has another game this morning at 11. So I figure, you know what, let me get up, get this gym out the way, that way, because it's Sunday. So, you know, the whole Sunday reset. So by the time her game is over, and then, you know, I drive home, you know, like I told you guys before, I'm in Atlantic City, so it's going to be a little bit of a drive. So by the time we get home, I get settled in, things like that. You know, it's just so easy just to be like, you know, get so busy with everything else. And, you know, it's next thing you know, you look around, it's 5 o'clock. And, you know, I really actually hate going to the gym in the afternoon or in the evening. I really hate it. If I have to, I will. But, like, my best time to go is in the mornings. So I'm just gonna get this out the way, just get a quick, you know, same thing I did yesterday, pretty much just 15 minutes on the treadmill, just like a nice little light jog I've been kind of doing, and that really has been feeling good for me. Gets like my blood pumping, my, you know, my heart rate up a little bit. I have been having some pain in my ankles, so I kind of been trying to like ease my way back into like doing cardio and stuff, because I don't want to hurt myself. So I'm listening to my body, and I'm slowly, you know, but surely still like almost like walking. It's pretty much like a walk I'm doing on the treadmill, but I'm like a very, very light jogging it, if that makes sense to you guys. And then I do the Stairmaster for another 15 minutes. And, you know, if you ever did the Stairmaster before, you know that's, you know, a whole nother monster. But that's not really like, you know, pressure on my ankles, so that's actually okay for me to do the steps. Yeah, so I'm just pretty much gonna go do that, and I'll wrap it up, head back to the hotel, and then start getting dressed. I'm thinking I'm going to, I got my coffee, I just grabbed coffee from the hotel, just, you know, a little, because it's black anyway. So I'm actually across the street from a Starbucks. But if I'm being honest, when I'm like, you know, eating healthy and stuff, and I'm just having a regular black coffee, it really doesn't matter. I ain't gonna say that, because I've tasted some bad black coffee before, especially like from if you stop at a gas station or something. I've tasted some very bad black coffee before. But anyway, so I just grabbed some. It's actually pretty good, and drink that before I leave. And then I think I'm gonna just fast it out until probably lunch. So basically after her game is at 11, I think 11:20, so like 12 or so. I actually have a salad that I picked up last night, but I ended up not eating it, so I'll probably just eat that. You know, that'll be my first meal of the day, and then go from there. So I just wanted to pop in, talk to you guys for a little bit. Like I said, I'm just trying to, you know, just keep going. I'm also working on posting a lot, because, you know, I struggle with being consistent with posting. So I'm just giving you guys little clips at a time. I hope you guys don't get bored. There will be other vlogs coming, you know, like the fashion hauls. I'm gonna, you know, work on doing like some what I eat in a days. You know, just I have ideas, but for right now, this is me vlogging, just documenting my weight loss, my weight loss journey, essentially. So I don't know if I'm gonna put everything together, or if this is just literally going to be like a daily check-in. I don't know, but I hope you guys keep watching, and I will possibly pop back in and talk to you guys a little later.